Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glambyizie. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome to my channel. For today's look, I'll be doing something very simple, beginner friendly makeup look. So stick around to see what look I'll be creating. What's it called? Davis brow pencil in the shade 18. This is like my favorite. Next, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'll just take brush, angle brush, clean my brush. Blended the concealer, and next I'll be using this House of Tara powder palette. I'll just go in with a shade lighter just to set the area where I applied concealer. My eyeshadow, I'll be using this House of Tara eyeshadow primer. I'll just go Mabrook eyeshadow palette. I'll take this orange shade here and just apply that as my transition color. It's in circular motion. And I'll be using this flat eyeshadow brush. I'll pick up a shade from, this is my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I'll be using the silver shade here. I did not cut my crease or anything. I'm just using the brush to create a defined. I'm just taking it a little bit above my crease. So I'll be picking up one of the gold shades here. Gold. The dark gold shade. I just want to do a particular eye look that will not have too much colors. I'm just pressing it on. Make sure it's blended together. Just be blending it so there's no demarcation. That orange shade that I used earlier, this orange shade, oh my god, this orange shade, I'll just, you know, blend the edge. I'll be using this Zaran Cosmetics gel liner in jars, and I'll be using this brush, a very tiny brush, just to create a wing, starting from the inner, just a very tiny line. Oh, almost made a mistake. And for the wing, sometimes the gel liner applies patchy. Sometimes it applies patchy, but no, we can fix that. I'm going in with this Pond's vanishing cream. It's actually very good if you have combination skin or oily skin and you want your face to stay matte. So I'll be using this quantity. You need to be very careful with the quantity of this product that you use. If you apply too much, to leave a very, I don't know, to leave patches all over your face. Like, I think I applied too much here. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade Cappuccino. I'm in the shade Cappuccino. My face is actually darker than the rest of my body. I don't know if you guys can see. It's darker than my neck and the rest of my body. So I just match it to my neck. It's just a little bit darker, not too much. I'll just blend that. Blend it down. My under eye, I'll be going back in. I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Just a very light. Right under eye. I don't know why it's not coming out. Oh. Down the bridge of my nose. Straight line. Mabrook Beauty blending sponge. already wet it. So I set my face off camera. I already contoured my face and all that, so that the video will not be too long. The next thing I'm gonna do is my lips. So I apply the Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm. I'll apply it first before deciding on what lip I'll be doing. I applied my lashes off camera. So for my lip, I'll be going in with this. I'll be using this pencil, the same pencil I used for my eyebrows. These red lippies are from Ease Cosmetics. And this particular one is from Classic. I'll apply that to the outer part of my lip. It can get messy. Pout of 5 and Demand. I'll just be using both. Just try to blend. So I'll be using this Makeup Revolution. I'll be going in with a fan brush. I'll take these 2 shades, 1, 2. I just mix it up. The bridge of my nose, I'll be using this brush. Now I'll take the shade I applied up. First off, I'll go with the orange shade I used. I just apply. I notice it's not applying well. It's not showing up like the upper part, so I'll go back in with the eyeshadow primer that I used earlier on. Orange shade. It's showing up more on this eyes. The shimmer I applied up. So here is the final look. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of this, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on any of my uploads. Ensure you share this video with your friends, your family, and everyone around you. See you in my next video. Bye.